Summer Camp. I am Neetu and I am a teacher at First Cry Intelli Arts, Manikonda, Hyderabad. We have so many fun-filled activities, creative activities planned for you to make your vacation a creative one. So please follow this, you will find it very interesting. Today I am going to make a butterfly pen stand. For that we need a cardboard roll. This you will get from tissue paper rolls, aluminum foil rolls and a paper that you have to roll the cardboard roll. For that we need this paper and a form sheet. Form sheet I have already cut and kept, and you can make a outline of a butterfly wings. And we need a scissors. Parents, this scissors is not safe for children, so please help them to use the scissors or give them a child friendly scissors. And I have cut a circle shape for the base of the cardboard roll. This is a pen stand, so it needs a base. For that I have already cut and kept here. And two small eyes I have cut. If you have googly eyes which is available in the shops, you can use that also. Now I don't have that, so I have cut a form sheet and have made eyes and few pom-pom balls for decorating the wings. I have these stickers for decoration, a black marker, and I have cut thin strips like this, strips of paper, a glue bottle. So, are you ready to start, children? Okay. First, I will cut the wings. I have already made the outline. I have to cut it. Parents, please help the kids to make the cuttings. See. The wings are ready. Now I'll keep it aside. Or you can make the decoration now itself. Here I'll apply glue here and I will stick the pom-pom balls. See a red one. See, I have stick the pom-pom balls and I have kept it aside. Now I will take the cardboard roll. What you have to do is you have to stick the paper in the cardboard roll. First you need to apply some glue here like this on the paper. Okay. Now roll the paper. Roll the paper. Okay. And you stick it properly like this. Okay, children. Now what you have to do? You have to cut the paper here. Okay, and apply glue inside the cardboard roll. Inside the cardboard roll. Now fold the paper inside. Now the cardboard roll is beautiful, isn't it, children? Keep it here. Now take the wings. You have to apply glue in the middle here, in the middle of the wings. Okay, here, and you take the roll and stick it here. Okay, children. Now you can use the stickers here. Use the stickers and you can fix it here to make it more beautiful. Okay. Is that looking beautiful, children? Now you have to take the eyes. Take the eyes and put a small black dot so that this is the eyes of the butterfly. So black dots here, and you can stick the eyes on the cardboard roll. So apply glue. Okay, apply glue and stick the eyes to eyes. Okay. Now the mouth for the butterfly. You can draw a smiley face for the butterfly. Okay, children. Now you need antenna. So you have to take the thin strip of paper and cut it in the center. And you have to roll the paper using your fingers. Nicely you roll the paper. Okay, see, it will look like this. Take the other one. You have to make 2 antennas for the butterfly. See, roll it. See, it will look like this. Now you have to stick it. Apply glue here on the back side here, and you can stick the antennas here. Okay. Okay, children. Is that looking beautiful? Is that looking beautiful, children? You like the craft? So please do try to make it home. Take your parents' help and please stay at home. Be healthy and wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Okay, bye children.